Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Instagram Threads ticket on your Instagram app. So make sure that Instagram has been updated to your phone to see this feature. So from your Instagram, go and tap the search button and then type for Threads. And then you will be able to see there that admission ticket in the box on the right corner. So all you have to do is just to tap that ticket, and then you will be headed to this page wherein you will get an invitation for you to download or get Threads app. Now if you don't have this, or if it's not yet available on your end, then the second option for you is to go to your profile page by tapping your profile icon on the bottom right, and then the horizontal lines on the upper right, and tap for Threads. So it should be available, and it's the same thing. You'll be invited, and just tap get Threads to start downloading it to your phone. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.